This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alan Zeiger. The home you have been waiting for. Contemporary open floor plan. Elegance describes this Palermo model. Plantation shutters are on the windows and sliding glass doors. High vaulted ceilings make for a light bright home. This home is perfect for entertaining, complete with a built-in dining and a wine bar. The office den has a built-in bed for extra sleeping. Tile floors throughout are on the diagonal. Kitchen overlooks the family room and living room. Porch is screened and location of home is nestled in a cul-de-sac. The best is home had hurricane shutters and a built-in generator. This home is truly a 10. For more information, review the details below or contact Alan Zeiger at 954-234-0920.